It's my second go around purchasing these facial sprays, and I am so in love with all of them. Some of them do smell a little better than the others to me, but they all are doing a great job.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another awesome review. Today I'll be talking about Mario Badescu Lotion. I'm so excited to let you guys know about this amazing product, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so let me tell you a little bit about this product. This is Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. It's an original on-the-spot solution that targets surface blemishes while you sleep. So as you're sleeping, this baby is going to work. It will help you draw out any impurities and diminish the appearance of surface blemishes. So as you can see, I do have some blemishes going on over here. So we are going to apply this product and we're going to see how it works. I do want to let you know this was actually made and formulated by Mario Badescu himself back in the 1960s. This product is still the #1 best-selling product that is loved by many skincare junkies. So let me show you how it's done. First, I'm going to open up the bottle. All you have to do is dip in a cotton swab into your product. And as you can see, there it is. It picked up the product. I'm going to dip it some more. And it picks up more. So all you have to do is put this on the surface area that needs to be targeted. All right. So we can go ahead and put that in. All right, so I'm gonna keep it in there. Please do not rub it, do not touch it. All you have to do is simply apply it and let it soak into your skin, and then it will dry up the following day. That is all you have to do, you guys. Do not touch it, just leave it there. It could be used on a daily basis as well if you need it to be used on a daily basis in order to dry out your skin. But best thing to do is leave it overnight and let it go to work overnight as you sleep, you guys. This can be used on your back, on your chest, and on your neck as well. I highly recommend this product. It is absolutely amazing, you guys. I know you will love it. So please pick it up at your local store or online. I rate this product a 4.5 out of 5 just because it has amazing ingredients and it's very effective on my skin, and I feel very nice and confident. Thank you guys so much for watching this review. I'll see you next time.